Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Drill going back with another Giant Simulator video. Today I'm gonna be rebirthing at 142 million and getting the new Blizzard Bain. Even though it's not new, but like it's kind of still new. It'll only been out for like a week or two. So let's just hop into it with a rebirth. 652 soul gems. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Spam click this. Hopefully we can get. We're not gonna get to it. Oh man, so close. Let's see. Our thing was at 142 million. Our passive. Now it's at 183. So that's how much gold we're getting. So right now, I want to get this right here. Not enough snowflakes. Hold on, I need to go get some more snowflakes. Let's just equip the skin. Dang it, I died. It's because of my level, because I'm already 8K. And my next thing is probably going to be a higher level. Is this enough? Oh, let's go. Feels so good. I'm gonna rebirth again. Alright, oh, dang it. Alright, so right now we're gonna equip the 2 best swords in the game. Then we're gonna equip the skin. Then equip the best sword in the game. Now I'm getting a lot of levels per second. This will give me some quest. Just set up this character. My next video is gonna probably be getting so I can get pet opening. Yeah, a pet opening. That sounds good. But yeah, that was the video. I wanted to show y'all a quick little rebirth and getting the thing. So I'll see y'all at tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow or the next day, because I'm gonna grind to get a higher level. And I guess I see y'all later.